To launch the application, click the STTech app, then insert your phone to the mobile VR headset. During the session you have to focus for 3 seconds with objects you want to interact with. When the application starts, you can see on the top left a sound icon. If you focus on it, you can mute and unmute the sound. If you see an X next to the speaker, this means you don't have sounds. First of all, you have to select your preferred language by fixating on it. As you can see, we choose Greek. If you want to switch to another language, in every scene there is a back button in the top left corner. This icon will take you back to the languages menu. Now we select English as our language. In the application's next 2 scenes, we explain to the user the features and usage of the app. Since we will explain them in this video, we skip those scenes and proceed by focusing on the Continue button. Here we can choose a scenario. To select a scenario, focus on the scenario you want to watch. If you want to return back, to select another scenario you can focus on the back arrow. Now we will go to scenario 2. In each scenario there are 4 points of view. In this example, we will select to see the transfer technique from the back. When the video is loading, a window will pop up informing you that the video is actually loading. When the video loads, you can also see 3 cameras and a menu with the 360 video. When you focus to the menu, 3 options appear. The first option is to return to the scenario selection. The second is to mute and unmute sound, and the last is to exit the application. If you want to close the menu, focus again on it. Each camera takes you to the appropriate point of view of the selected scenario based on their position. When we focus at a camera, the new video will load. Sometimes when the video is playing it might pause. This is because it needs to load and the loading pop-up will appear again. As you can see, we want to return to the scenarios menu. To exit the application, focus on the red circle.